Found this little drill press at an estate sale here about a month or so ago. Brought it home. It was covered in rust, and I sprayed it down with some Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver Gel, which you can find at any of the big box stores. And got caught up in something else, forgot to wipe it off, and it turned into a hard tar all over the thing. So this is me trying to come in here and fix this up. Yeah, Fat Boy needs a fan. It's getting all hot here in the summertime. At this point, I'm trying to break the bottom of the stand loose so that way it can move up and down the hole easily without fighting it. Seems that a lot of the stuff had got caked up underneath there, and I almost welded it tight. Took a minute to get it broke loose, but you see there that Rust-Oleum is starting to dissolve what it left behind. So well, once everything was said and done, a couple hours later, some elbow grease and some other stuff here. So everything I used was WD-40, an old towel, 80 grit, 220 grit sandpaper. What I would do is just spray the gel on and then rub it with the 80 grit, trying to knock it loose. Paintbrush. Here's that Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver Gel. Some denatured alcohol to clean up some of the old grease off of it. Some steel wool, and then a wire brush. So all in all, this is a nice little find at an estate sale. You could probably pick one of these Central Machineries 1/3 horsepower drill press up at Harbor Freight. I've seen them on their website. It's got an 8-inch swing with a 2-inch stroke, and it's a 5-speed, so it goes between 620 and 3100 RPMs. Again, nice little drill. I'm sure I'll put it to a lot of use here at the shop. Thanks for watching.